Hi guys, hope you're well. This is Stuart from Immersive Cinema Rooms. Just wanted to give you a brief tour of another cinema that we did in East Sussex in the UK. You might have seen the time-lapse footage on our YouTube page, but we just wanted to give you a brief tour of the room. So stay tuned and we'll take you inside. See you in a moment. Okay, let's head inside. So one thing you'll notice in this room straight away is it's a bit different to our usual rooms. In this room we have a dual aspect, so a nice big full-size snooker table at the back with a cinema area towards the front of the room. Our brief in this job was to create a dual aspect room. The client was very much wanting a full-size snooker table to play snooker with his family and friends, but then also somewhere to watch big screen movies. But so, half the people could be in this section and half the people could be in this section, still have conversations, still have fun. You'll notice in the snooker area we've got some snooker lighting, traditional looking lighting set. We've got some tables, some scoreboards, some cues. We've got hardwood flooring, and then we've got wood panelling up on the ceiling. We've got what we call reversed coffer. So this is where our lighting is actually in a small section down the side here, where some of the jobs you'll see we have some would say more traditional coffer where the centre of the ceiling is higher and then the lighting shines up onto it. If we walk down towards the cinema section, we've got a 130-inch 235:1 aspect ratio screen. Looks a little washed out at the moment because I've got the lights on. Even if we were to switch these two sets of lights off, it would be so dark in this section I really wouldn't be able to show you what was going on. We've got soft carpets on the floor, nice big sofa. You can see on the side here, our wooden panel is transitioned over to a stretch fabric. Behind the stretch fabric is absorption. So you can really hear in this side of the room that the reflective nature of the room goes down compared to when you're standing back here in this section of the room. Speakers are from Acoustic. They're rail colour matched to the panelling, so they blend in really nicely. Behind the screen we've got left, centre, right, and then we've got two massive subwoofers. You can see up here we've got our rear Atmos channels, and then if we go forward to the front here, we've got our front Atmos channels. And then if I spin you around, you can see the Epson projector there, which shines the images to the screen. The screen itself can accept lots of content. At the moment, we're showing you Kaleidoscape. It's got Apple TV, it's got a 4K Blu-ray player, and it's got Sky Q. The material is acoustically transparent, so none of the sound is trapped behind there from the speakers. And behind that whole wall, we've created a baffle wall, so all the audio is projected forward. Room easily hits Dolby's reference guidelines of 110 dB, and I'm sure you agree it's a great space. Dual aspect, great for socialising for friends and family, or sitting down there and watching a movie in the evening with just a couple of you. So hope you like the space. A bit different to what we usually do, but I thought you might like it. Leave your comments below. If you've not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do. It helps a lot, helps us get our content. Our last video is currently about 27,000, so we really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Thank you. Bye.